What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you where to find lemons for unexpected initiatives in ArcRadars. This is going to be a quick one. I found them on the dam map. What I did was head into a forest area, specifically on the southern side of the map. Lemons can spawn underneath trees right near the roots. In my case, I found one lying on the ground next to a tree like it had fallen off. So when you are searching, focus on forested areas and check around the base of trees carefully. That's how I was able to find one. If you have found lemons in a different spot, let everyone know in the comments to help other players out. Now for water pumps, I found those in industrial areas. Look for buildings marked with industrial icons on the map. You can usually find water pumps inside those locations pretty easily. As for the water filter, honestly, I couldn't find one at all. If you know where to get it, please drop the info in the comments. It would help a lot. That's a quick and simple guide. If this helped you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.